Oh, butterflies.
Time to get up, Triggs. It's breakfast time.
Oh, no, I don't want to get up. I'm too sleepy.
Triggs, you can't stay in bed all morning. It's a lovely sunny day.
Oh, that's what that pesky birdie outside the window has been saying since sunrise.
You mean this little birdie?
No, my ears.
Good morning, little birdie. I wonder what he's singing. I know what you're singing. You're singing a song to Triggs, aren't you? Come and play with me up in the garden. We can climb a tree up in the garden. Feel the cool breeze up in the garden. We'll join the birds and bees and